Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change date format in Excel. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Excel, and here you can see that I have a date. So how you can change the format? You simply need to select any cell, and then you need to click on the right mouse cursor and click on Format Cell, and here you have different options. Okay, so let me select this and click on OK. So you can see that the change, you can see that now date format is changed. So this is a simple process. You can easily change any cell data. You can see the date, click on OK. So you can see that. So this is a process by which you can change date format in Excel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.